Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best tactical hunting gloves that are available on the market for their true quality. This list based in my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Cybertron Ttfig 2.0 tactical gloves. Regular gloves cannot do anything in the means of shielding your hands satisfactorily, and moreover, keeping the odor in so you aren't discovered by your victim and also miss your chance of obtaining a fresh kill. Luckily, Cybertron has made this version that contains the Trinity odor controller and also will come with a micro-wick technology. The plan of these gloves can also be eye-catching, something that you may perhaps not experience in comparable versions. The camo seems to permit you to combine in the surroundings, thereby rendering it more difficult for animals to see one effortlessly. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Mechanix tactical gloves. It's a superb wet and dry traction without a bothersome seam. In addition, it comes with an ergonomic design which reduces fatigue, consequently may be utilized for a very long duration, also machine flexible and 10-gauge lining. Custom made to help keep you warm when comparable function gloves cannot give. Showa 451 includes a 10-gauge insulated smooth liner along with a pure rubber hands coating without allowing protection slide. The original glove revolutionized the hand protection industry with its versatile design and has faithfully served its users ever since. Durable synthetic leather extends the life of the glove, and form-fitting Trek dry material with multicam camouflage helps keep hands cool and comfortable in any environment. Keep your gloves secure to your gear or pack with the nylon cord loop positioned beneath each wrist. The original provides unmatched fit, feel and functionality so you can focus on what lies down range. At number 3, we have the AXBxcx Breathable Flexible Hard Gloves. Its attributes. Durability. Contrary to more economical gloves which use foam and rubber, leather and elastic fabric that make our products more durable can be utilized. Comfort. Whereas the majority of the accessible work gloves utilize the conventional round-the-wrist strap, which could usually be limiting and uncomfortable, and our broad Velcro movement is diagonal, giving flexibility and motion. Versatile. It's as comfy as it seems, and it is quite effective, providing you the flexibility you would like. At number 2, we have the Raparo Tactical Touchscreen Gloves. Raparo Tactical Touchscreen Gloves can always make the difference if in regards to enhancing your performance, particularly if what you're searching for is something that makes you really feel just like you're wearing another skin. This version is cool and breathable and includes a barbell that measures 5 inches, and which means that is just one less thing to fret about. Another thing you may wish to understand more about the device is the fact that it's equipped with sure grip inch squares that may provide you quite a little bit of help when you are attempting to maintain your weapon and move it correctly. And finally, at number 1, we have the Wtactful Hardknuckle Tactical Gloves. Wtactful touchscreen version is just another alternative you may want to consider, particularly if you're on the market to get a set of gloves that is comfortable, and that could keep you protected from inclement weather. The item consists of 97% cotton and 3% spandex, and though the high proportion of poly may concern you personally, it really makes the difference in regards to supplying the gloves with loads of durability. The spandex is inserted so that your skin stays comfortable even if your hands are becoming a bit too hot. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.